Hey there! Today I'm going to teach my oldest daughter, Nicole, how to make a really simple vegan buttermilk ranch dressing. So, let's get started, Nicole. We're going to start by making a buttermilk, and I'm using silk almond milk here. I like almond milk because it has a really neutral flavor as compared to soy, but you can use whatever your favorite milk alternative is. So, you'll want to squeeze that lemon, and we're just gonna add it into the almond milk and then whisk it. And that creates a thicker buttermilk. All right, that's good. And then just pour it in. And now you wanna start whisking. And the acid in that is what kind of thickens this up. All right, so now you'll add your veganaise into the bowl. And again, you can use your favorite vegan mayo here. Thank you. Now your buttermilk. And then we're going to add our spices and salt. And so we're going to use some fresh parsley here. So you can add that in and then whisk that together. I like a lot of parsley, so we've added a lot, but you could add as much as you are comfortable with. And just, you can whisk it a little bit faster, just like that. All right, and now you can add the onion powder and garlic powder. And hopefully this will help to encourage Nicole to eat her greens even while she's away at school.
Salad's much more enjoyable drenched in dressing.
And that's it. It's that easy to make. Thanks so much for joining Nicole, me, and Snarls in our vegan kitchen.